It's an unusual case, a high school coach being prosecuted for a player's heat-related death. Jury selection is underway in Louisville in the trial of ex-coach David Stinson, charged with reckless homicide in the death of 15-year-old Max Gilpin, who collapsed from heat stroke and died days later. His mother has been in the courtroom listening to the jury proceedings. A pool of about 100 people has to be reduced to 15 jurors. The co-chair of a website dedicated to raising money for Stinson's legal defense says he's worried about the former coach being able to get a fair trial.
With all the pretrial publicity, you can imagine how hard it would be out of 120 people to select 10% of them to give a fair and unbiased opinion on what happened that day.
He says he really hopes the eventual jury pool will have some knowledge about football.
If they were to select 12 jurors that may not necessarily know anything about football, that would not be very good for Coach Stinson. It would be best if they could get some people on that jury that understand athletics, and even better yet, hopefully somebody has played football and would understand the game of football and understand a practice and understand what a normal practice is.
The trial stems from Stinson's alleged conduct at a practice last August when it was 94 degrees. He's accused of withholding water from players and making them run extra wind sprints. After collapsing at practice, Max was taken to the hospital where he died 3 days later after his body temperature reached 107 degrees. The coroner has ruled the death an accident. Myra Lopez, The Associated Press.